Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here with another Atomics tutorial. So, what exchange method does is store a given value at a given position in the array and return old value at that position. So this atomic operation grants that no other write happen between read of the old value and the write of the new value. So let me show you. First, we will create a shared buffer with a size in bits. So var buffer equals, use the new operator, use the constructor method, shared array and buffer. After that, we will pass 16 as a parameter, and sorry about that, silly mistakes. Now we will create another variable, and this one will be uint8 array. So I'm gonna name it as uint8 and use the new operator. And what we're gonna do is uint8 array, the constructor for that, and pass buffer as a parameter. After that, what I'm gonna do is in the uint8 array, I'm gonna add the first, the 0th, I'm gonna pass 5. And what I'm gonna do is use log it on a console atomic dot load and pass first uint8 comma 0. And after that, first let me tell you, if we do that now, what's gonna happen is it will be showing output of 5. Oh, there's uncaught error. What this is? Atomics.load. Oh, sorry about that. There's a silly spelling mistake. So now it's gonna show 5. See, 5. And now what I'm gonna do, use the Atomics.exchange method. Exchange. Inside that, we will pass uint8 array comma geo comma 2. What it does, it will exchange that. So yeah, if we log it on a console, this line, it will be a 5, but after that, when we do this and log it on a console atomics with atomics.load, what we're gonna do is returns, it gonna returns 2 because it exchanged that. The first parameter is the is the position what we want to change. So if we load that, it will say 2. So hope you understand, and that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.